That's how we rage.
How's it going, guys? It's Kid Psychic back with another Psychic Team tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get party chat through your HDpvr without Kinnect. It's actually very simple. It's only one step really, and you'll be able to record games through your PVR with the sound of your friends to it. So all you want to do is come across to settings, and you want to go to display and sound. Go down to volume, select party chat output, and just set it to speakers as I already had it. And that is all you have to do. It is that simple. You just display and sound, volume, party chat output, set to speakers. And once you've done that, you might as well turn your TV down. That way it's just coming through your headset. You can hear them just like it would on your speakers. And you can play the game, record it, and have their voice come over the game clip. So thanks for watching, like, comment and subscribe if this helped, and I'll catch you in the next video.